Good afternoon, Yearbookians. This is Mr. Ellis. I'm not here. Watch this video. Life is good. So, here's what happens when we don't follow the exact directions or whatever. So, in the custom template, we remember had these boxes that said, type the quote here. Well, some people just simply copied and pasted, and that threw all of the formatting off. So now it's really difficult to get this line of text lined up perfectly with this line of text, which is right here. And it must happen. So here's all we're going to do. We're going to go to text. You're going to delete all of the text here. Now notice it went behind the signature. That is okay. Because, go back to select, drag down the box until we see all of the quote. There it is. Then we're going to go over here to the other quote, do the exact same thing. We're going to delete all the space in front of or on top of the quote. Go back to the box. We're going to shrink this down. And boom. Now, what we're going to do is we want these boxes to be at the same level. So you just need to decide which height do we like better. I kind of like this one better than this one. So you click maybe down a little bit more. So you click on the right, hold shift, click on the left. Now I have both of them. Then you do layout. And now they are perfectly perfect in line. Not mostly in line, not sort of in line, perfectly in line. Right. So also while we're here, names of people are not in italics, so you can just go ahead and just change that right away. And then the other thing is we do want all the quotes, like for example, take a look at this quote here. All three of these lines, well, first of all, this text box is not even, it doesn't even fit here. Who made this text box? Okay, so all four of these lines are not equal. This bottom line is shorter. So we're going to make all four lines kind of look the same, and this is just going to take up a little bit of playing around. So you just got to enter some stuff down. Boom! Look at that. I just moved one thing. I just entered down, and all four lines are basically all in the same line. You can also do it by phrasing. You can also do it by however you want. Okay, I plead with you, never ever give up on hope. There it is. Okay. All right. So, names of people are not in italics. I feel like I've said that somewhere before. Okay. Same thing here. All right. So, if you have any questions, go back and watch the video again, and there it is. Goodbye. Good luck.